bagets si Miss Millennial Summer, no? So, mamamit mo na mamaya yung mga candidates kasi may mga nauna na dito. So, say hi to your supporters sa mga Dabarkats at Pininod.
Hi, Dabarkats from Summer. This is Miss Millennial.
Ngayon pa lang proud na sila. So, see you mga Dabarkats! Uwi mo na sa tayo na. Ikaw ah! Oo, sinabi mo muna. Tapos may bigay ko alam mo. Take a picture.
Selfie or is it picture of you?
Okay.
And it don't change if I am away. You know that you are. You're the heart that I need and know. You're the sunshine in the rain and the sky. Won't you please listen to me? Give it all. I just wanna see you. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see. I know you're a star.
At natuto mong mahal nito. Para sa mga. Dati mo, ang puso ko ito. Akala ko, di na mababalik. So,
The shallow now.
in the shallow, in the shallow, in the shallow, we're far from the shallow now.
Mga kababayan mo
Hi!
ay Batangas!
Sino din na Batangas?
Asaan ang Batangas?
From what part of Batangas are you? Halakak! Alright, well, welcome. We're happy to have 5
Exciting to dahil tamang-tama para sa 40th year ng Bulaga. Kayo ang makakasama na ng Rosyal mula Batanes hanggang Pulo. Kita-kits soon!
And welcome sa lahat ng ating mga Miss Millennials na candidates ngayon. Simulan na natin ang adventure. Thank you, pati na rin po sa inyong mga provincial and tourism officers for being part of this big event. Sana sa partnership na to ay mas mapromote pa natin yung Pilipinas na hindi lang sa mga foreigners, kundi pati na rin sa ating mga kababayan. So good luck sa inyo, Miss Millennial. Congratulations!
Don't be discouraged. Don't worry.
Cutie!
It's hard to take courage in a world full of people. You can lose a lot. The darkness inside make you feel so beautiful. I see
channel.
Please subscribe to Mac Jude's channel.
Subscribe to Mac Jude channel. Subscribe to Mac Jude's channel. Guys, please subscribe to Mac Jude channel. Yan. Subscribe kayo guys. Nahantay ko na lang. Hello guys, please subscribe to Mac Jude's channel. Subscribe.
Mac Jude channel, sana ipapatuloy mo yung mga vlog mo. Kaya more viewers and God bless you.
Hi guys, follow Summer Latest Sprite and Mac Jude TV. Thank you.